Hey, have you ever heard of uncorrected refractive errors and how they are managed? Let's talk about it. My name is Joel, eye specialist. Now, I have shared about refractive errors in the past videos. I've talked about myopia, hyperopia, and I hint about astigmatism and presbyopia. Now, these are conditions that conventionally we correct with spectacles. Today, I want to talk about the other different ways that we can correct these things. Conventionally, we use spectacles. Why? Because spectacles help to correct the refractive problem that you are having. And it is the easiest way and the most affordable way of managing refractive errors. But we have also other ways, like for example, use of contact lenses for people who do not want to use spectacles. They don't want to be seen putting on spectacles here and there. So we give them contact lenses. That is something that these contact lenses, they fix them on your cornea, on the glass, and then they're able to correct the refractive error. Of course, you need to go and have a discussion with your eye care health professional of whether it is in the best interest for you to have contact lenses, because they also have their own complications. They have a lot of infections, and depending on the environment you are in, you need to discuss with your eye health care professional or healthcare provider. Also, we have new technologies of surgery. There is something called LASIK surgery. LASIK. Refractive surgeries are also becoming common in Uganda, although they are common in the Western world. This is also one of the ways that we are managing refractive errors. They operate you, they do LASIK surgery, and they kind of flatten, broaden, change the curvature of your cornea to make sure that you are able to see better. They correct your refractive error. We're also having technologies where they are implanting a new lens in your eye, and these lenses help to correct the refractive errors. A lot is happening in the world of refraction and refractive surgeries and things to do with refractive errors. So it depends on your preference, and it also depends on how much money you have on you, because of course when it comes to refractive surgery, it is more expensive than use of spectacles. So for any questions, visit your eye health care professional, and then they will be able to enlighten you on what is the best way to manage your refractive error. Thank you so much. Blessings.